Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Make sure your device is ready before adding a card to Apple Pay. Use an iPhone 8 or later with iOS 16 or newer and an Apple ID signed in. Open Settings and enable Face ID or Touch ID for payments. Ensure your region supports Apple Pay and your bank participates. Keep your physical card nearby with number, expiry date, and CVV available. Also have your bank app or phone number ready for instant verification when needed. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a card. Select debit or credit and choose to use your iPhone camera for fast entry. If the camera fails, type the card number, expiry date, and CVV manually. Review and accept the bank and Apple Pay terms to continue. Your bank may ask for verification through SMS, email, or the bank app. Complete the verification to activate the card for in-person and online Apple Pay transactions. Choose a default card in Wallet to speed up future payments and transit. Tap a card, open more, and set as default card with one touch. For transit convenience, enable Express Transit for a supported card in Wallet settings. To pay, double-click the side button or use Wallet on Apple Watch and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Hold the top of the iPhone within a few centimeters of the reader until you see Done and a check.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.